Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and there are some plants that you just cannot talk enough about. And one of those plants is Hydrangea BOBO. This is my absolute favorite hydrangea. It gets to be about 3 foot tall and about 3 to 4 foot wide. And there's not many plants in my garden that I will repeat plant as far as perennials and shrubs, but BOBO has found itself in probably 7 to 8 different places within my garden. The reason I like this plant is that it's very compact for a hydrangea, and it just has an amazing show of color. So you can just see the massive color that this plant adds to my garden. It starts off kind of a limey-ish color. I'll show you, we'll go in close here. And as the little florets start to come out, they're kind of a nice white color. And then as the flowers age, they're going to turn into a nice dusty pink. So right now, these have been blooming since probably the first or second week in July, and they're going to bloom well into August. So you can just see the beautiful habit of the hydrangea BOBOs. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.